Hi guys, so this is Andrew Elsalins again. So welcome to my channel. So if you learn something, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so dalam video ni saya akan discuss apakah itu YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so for the new YouTuber, this is one of the second things that you need to beri perhatian. So before this, I had talked about the YouTube banner ataupun channel art. So in this series, I want to talk about what is the YouTube channel. So basically, this is the can consider as the most important parts of your channel. So because viewer ataupun orang yang menonton video, the YouTube thumbnail is the first impression that they see inside your channel. Okay, so let's discuss and see what are the 5 best practice that we can apply so that the viewer akan tertarik with the video and they want to click it and watch the video. Okay guys, so let's go to the first one. So the first thing is, when you create the thumbnail, please just use your own face ataupun muka sendiri. Yeah, so in my previous thumbnail, I did use the pictures from the internet, for example, from the Pixels, from the Pixabay. So that is quite nice pictures. But somehow, when I do some review and analysis, it's not really give a good impression. Yeah, so the first choice is use our own face sebagai kita punya thumbnail. Okay, so basically there are 6 natural ataupun 6 emotion yang biasa dibuat oleh manusia. So you can apply which one ataupun which of these 6 humans emotion that is suitable with the contents of your video. Okay, so first is the happiness. So you saw your face that happy, yeah. So people knows that your content is gives some impression about happiness. Okay, so the second thing is something about surprise. Wow. So maybe you do the video about something that is yang memujakan, something that's impressed. So you can use the face that show you are surprised. Okay, and maybe you do something like suspense video, sesuatu yang menggerunkan, then maybe you can use your face that's showing that you are in the view. Oh my god, just something like that. Okay, and others emotions ataupun emosi yang selalu dibuat oleh kita is when we feel disgust. Something like this. We feel disgust. Okay, and the last one is show your face that you are in an angry mode. Oh my god, something like that. Okay, so that are the 6 emotion that's a natural emotion of the human that you can use as your thumbnail, depend on the contents of your video. Okay, so what's if your video, your pictures, you don't have a good background? For example, you just record your video just inside the limited space, just at the limited background. So don't worry, you can edit it. You just use the free resources. For example, you can use your this websites, www.remove.bg. Yeah, www.remove.bg. So you can change the background. You remove the background, then you change it with other pictures or other colors. Yeah, so that as simple as it. So that's the background of the thumbnail tidak akan sama. So that is the first trick. Okay, so just use your own photo, can show your face, or as long as it is your own photo ataupun your real photo. Okay, so that is the first good practice. The second one is, when you do the thumbnail, please do not use the fancy fonts. ataupun huruf yang berbunga-bunga. Because when people opens the YouTube, then if you see the trend, most of people watch the YouTube through the smartphone. Okay, so you need to remember, so bila you use the fancy phone, so when you punya thumbnail open inside the smartphone, then the tulisan dia akan nampak very small, then people cannot read it clearly. Okay, so just use the normal simple font that's easily to read, easily to watch from a far distance. Okay, so examples of the good font that you can use is, for example, the Oswald, the Bebas New, yes, the Poppins and Monstera, ataupun Arial. So these are the kind of font that you can use. Okay, so remember, no fancy font. Okay, so number 3 is keep it simple. So what does it mean keep it simple? Is just straightforward what you are going to talk about your video. So for example, if you talk about cara memasak kari ikan, for example, so that's the title, the words that you put beside your face there, just straightforward. Cara memasak kari ikan, so something like that. Try to minimize it. Yeah, so kalau boleh within 3 to 4 words. Yeah, so the reason is because when you write the words inside the thumbnail, you need to ensure that the word is big enough. That's the space ataupun tempat you tulis you punya title is big enough, so that you can make it bigger, make it bold, then it's easily for people to watch it. You just imagine kalau you punya title more than for example up to 8 words or maybe 10 words. So maybe you will put the title cara memasak kari ikan bersama dengan Andrew L. Salim. So it's quite long. So when you put it inside the thumbnail, it's become, you need to stress it, become smaller. Then people might have the difficulties to read what is the titles of the video. Okay, so especially those yang use the smartphone to open ataupun watch the video. Okay, so just make it simple, just straightforward, just keep it as what it is. Okay, so that is tip number 3. And the tip number 4 is keep everything at the left side. So what does it mean keep all the left thing at the left side? So because if you see dekat YouTube channel, at the right side of the video, there are few item yang memang sudah di-feedkan oleh YouTube. So for example, the titles, the volumes at the right side. So when you put your video title at the right side, it might be covered by the YouTube punya setting. Yeah, so just put your title if possible at the left side. So that's it is clear. So it is not covered by the YouTube punya setting. Yeah, so that is the 5th tips. Yeah, so just put it at the left side. Okay, so the last tip is make it big. Yeah, so what does it mean make the thumbnail big? So basically worldwide semua size thumbnail sama, so you don't confuse it. So what is mean big elements here is, for example, macam saya sudah explain tadi, your face, if you saw your face or if you saw your pictures, make sure it is big enough. Yeah, so people can see it from maybe 3 meters, from 5 meters from your laptop, for example. If they watch it using the laptop from the far side, maybe so maybe around 2 feet, 3 feet, they can watch the elements inside there. Same goes to the wording just now. So if you write the title, so make sure it is big enough. Yeah, so that's are the 5 best practice for the YouTube channel. Okay, so first just now is use your face ataupun your own photo, and second is no fancy font, just use the simple font. Okay, so third one is keep it simple, straightforward. The title no need to tak perlu hinky pinky, just straightforward. So what is you want to say inside the video? And the fourth one is keep everything at left side. Yeah, so your photo, your face, you can put at the right side, so that it won't covered by the setting yang by YouTube. Okay, and the last one is make the elements big. Yeah, so not the thumbnail, the elements, because the thumbnail size is worldwide semua sama. So how to upload the thumbnail is very simple. Yeah, so if you see the inside the video, you just go to your channels. You just go to your channels here, yeah. Then you just go to the YouTube studio. Okay, so from there you just choose which video ataupun video yang you want to edit the thumbnail. For example, this one. Yeah. So you just change the upload the thumbnail. Okay, ataupun just create the thumbnail. So upload the thumbnail, choose the best pictures that you want to use, for examples. Yeah, so let's see best. Okay, so just upload it. Okay, for examples like this. Yeah, so after you upload it, just save it. Okay, so that is how simple you can change the thumbnail. Okay guys, so one of the best website that you can use is you can use the Canva website. Yeah, so you just go to the internet, you just type canva.com. Yeah, and from here you just click your account and just type the thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so you have a few templates here. You just can choose any ones that is suitable. So you can change the background color, the wording. So all this you can change. Okay, so that is the fastest and the simplest yang paling senang. And alternatively, if you like the graphic design, macam yang saya selalu cakap, so please you can download the gym software. So you can go to the gimp.org. Yeah. So basically this software is 100% free. You don't have to worry, you don't need to pay anything. You just download it. Yeah, so then you can design your own thumbnail based on the best practice. Okay guys, so that's all for this moment. Thank you very much. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.